Good morning guys, welcome to another vlog, and sorry for this mess. I have no hair. So we're packing up because we're moving out on this condo.
So right now I'm just waiting for our food. I actually called already and placed an order over the phone, but the restaurant that I called, they said they were busy and it takes 20 minutes for me to pick it up. So nearby over here, it's probably just not even 5 minutes away. So we'll vlog later on when Ian is finished painting the first bedroom. And then after the first bedroom, he's going to paint the second bedroom. And then we're gonna wrap up, clean up a little bit, and then go home. Not really go home, go back to the condo, do our laundry, rest, and do this again like tomorrow. So, see you later. Bye. Alright, so I hired a painter today and he's been working for the past 3 hours and he's very hungry.
This is too much. This is too much. Wow.
Sure. Sure. The old color used to be that. We want to paint it into lighter color because I don't like...
This is not like this is totally light.
First coat though. And then we still have a long way to go because we have one more bedroom. I already prep it. Already put the blue tape and the thing to put on the floor. However, I could not reach the ceiling to put the blue tape, so I'm gonna have Ian do it. And then we still have to do the living room. Living room right here. So the ceiling is done. Ian painted the ceiling. And Ian also did some patches. I'm going to remove that mirror because I don't like that. And then this is our bedroom, no, bathroom. It's so small. I don't think we're gonna paint over here. This one stays as is. And also the kitchen stays as is. We're not going to paint it with new color. However, Ian will just have to repaint the touches right here. Yep. So the paint for the kitchen stays the same. However, the laundry room going this side, we are going to paint this. We are going to paint this laundry area. The plumbers are coming tomorrow to fix this whole thing right here. Yeah. And then that's the pantry. This is the pantry. Ian's going to probably touch up some paint over here because there's some nicks and marks right there. And then there's a third bedroom going upstairs, but I don't wanna, right there. Going to the attic. I don't like the smell. And then this is the garage. Ian already cleaned this up, but he said he still have to do some work over here. So that's the paint, more paint. Yeah. And then this is the door going to patio. How I wish I can plant like a cherry blossom over there in the back. That'd be so beautiful. See, there's cherry blossoms over there in our neighborhood. Nice. We just got our food. I just got the food. And here it is. Come, let's eat nugget. He's so tired.
The color is so white.
Huh?
It's like it's overwhelming. White.
No, it's okay. I like it. Right? What do you guys think? What do you guys think? What do you guys think?
So white.
I like it. It's bright and it's, you know, like...
But we should put more colors in it, like...
Then your furniture can another color. Okay, so let's eat now, please. I have this fried rice without green peas and carrots because I don't like green peas. And also I got sandwich right there. We're gonna eat standing position because no more chairs, yeah? So here, I'll put it here so we can eat. I have a water here. You drink it?
Hey, what you doing? Struggle much? Alright, so update in our DIY renovation. Woo, try look those walls, so bright. So I paint the ceiling, new paint, walls, new paint, fireplace, not yet. Also 2 rooms I paint. I'm testing out a baseboard color, either gray, dark gray, or coffee cream. And right here, Ode is cleaning. Faster. So right here, this is my project. Still first time doing drywall through YouTube University. We convert the laundry drain into stand-on drain. So we run a pipe going there. Alright, Ode right there. We're trying to install a curtain rod. And you know, Filipino always have curtains. So yeah. Lights on. New curtains. She doesn't like what she bought. What do you think, guys?
Today is another day of DIY home improvement. Oh my god, it's so echoey, but it's so bright.
Echoey?
Echoey, no! Echoey. Okay, so right now we are installing the blinds. So that's my handyman right there. Meet him. I wanted to change it, or we changed it because it was just a piece of crap, you know, if you know what I mean. So this is the outcome. I know it looks, right now it has the blinds and then the curtain, 3 curtains. I did it that way so that it looks like it's a big window. It's really a big window, but you know, as one piece. So, yep. And the other blinds is right there. And then today my task is to paint the doors. So I painted the door. This door is done. That's the bedroom number 2. Bathroom, that's done. pantry. Sorry, not pantry, just whatever room that is for our, what is that? Yeah, just storage room.
Linen closet.
Oh, linen closet. So that one is done as well. And then my next one is bedroom number 1, and then the back. So I don't know if I should include this. This one is for the furnace. And then Ian is also painting the dining area, and this is how it looks like right now. We installed this vinyl blinds yesterday. I was saying this is just first coat, and we're waiting for it to dry up so we can do the second coat. And then the kitchen is a mess. And I assembled this yesterday. I assembled this wire shelving yesterday, and I attached a caster to it, so it's easy to maneuver. What it is I'm gonna put this in the pantry. This is the pantry. And okay, because the pantry, let me turn on the light. Come on, light. Okay. So this is the pantry. It's so small. However, if you go in, the water heater is right here. So I can't install something on the wall, because what if something goes wrong with a water heater? I won't be able to get through the water heater. That's why I installed this, so that when I need to move it, I can just wheel it around and take it out and then go to the water heater. Right? Ha! And then today I also installed a new glass to that lighting fixture. It used to be white. It used to be this. It used to be that globe, and I hate it because it doesn't give me so much light. So I changed it to clear, and then I put a daylight light bulb, and then I also attached this thing because it doesn't have a wall switch. Ha! So DIY. And what else? I also cleaned up, the other day I cleaned up the range, both sides, the back, and I made sure I degrease it because I don't think they cleaned it. Yeah, which was filthy. And that's the microwave. This is our laundry room. It's a work in progress. Ian is still patching that drywall right there. We had to install we have to replace the 1-inch drain pipe into a 2-inch so that the washer has its own drain. So that's what it is right there. And that is the door to the garage, and this is the door to the 3rd bedroom. And the 3rd bedroom is carpet, and it's right there. We haven't even touched that area yet, so next time. So yeah, so for now, that is our update. And we're really sorry we haven't been uploading for a while. We've been trying to focus with not renovating. We're trying to focus with painting and making sure the house is ready before we move in. And we're also packing our stuff from the condo. So I know there's a lot of things going on. We work 8 hours a day. After our job, we go home, this home, we fix something over here, we paint, and then we go back to the condo, we pack, we sleep, and then repeat. So yeah, we haven't been vlogging, but we will catch up with you guys soon, okay? Thank you, and I'm sorry, we'll see you guys next time. Bye!
What's up, everybody? So we are packing right now because we are moving out in this place. Ooh, those are boxes. That's Ode's organization stuff. And I'm packing up my drone and my GoPro.
April 25 and it's Tuesday, and we're moving out in this condo. We lived here for a year, and now we're moving to our house. So let me show you a sneak peek of how it looks like.
No, it's okay.
So this is how it looks like right now. We're trying to empty it out. That's our TV. I get some movers out there doing our heavy stuffs. I'm going to miss this place. Alright, so this is the current situation of our bedroom right now. They already took out the bed. So these are just our drawers. And our walk-in closet right here. It's also empty. Ooh, except I was looking for this. This is Ian's gloves. Okay, pick that up. Right, empty. Empty. One thing I will miss about this place is this walk-in closet. It's not big, but it's just perfect for us. Bedroom, that's the bedroom, and this is our living room situation. Update. It's almost done. See, dining. This was the dining area. Now it's empty.
Good thing we hired someone, because if I cannot do it
I know.
all by myself.
Yeah. So it's almost done. Alright, so that's how it looks like. So that's our stuff. And that's our car. So we are in our house now, and they're starting to unload our stuff. I wasn't able to vlog while we were on the road because I was busy ordering food for them, because I am also hungry. So the easiest way to go, we ordered from Pizza Hut. Anyways, so we're now in the house, and oh my god, this is it. This is our first day in this house, and they're unloading right now. So catch you guys later. Bye.